Now, automakers in the U.S. have been under pressure from rising costs, largely due to new tariffs. Yet so far, many have resisted significant price hikes on new cars. But that could be changing soon. Since April, new U.S. tariffs from the previous administration have added about $2,300 in cost per vehicle. If these tariffs were fully applied to all domestic and imported cars, automakers have absorbed much of this extra cost so far rather than passing it straight on to consumers. From March to August, the average manufacturer's suggested retail price, or the MSRP, of new vehicles in the U.S. rose by less than 1% in August. Automakers increased sticker prices by about 3.3%. According to Cox Automotive, this is roughly in line with historic averages, not an unusually large jump. There has also been a rise in destination fees. The cost of getting the car to the dealership, for 2025 models up to 8.5% to $1,507. General Motors expects up to $5 billion in gross tariff-related costs this year. Ford estimates about $3 billion in gross hit from tariffs. Hyundai North America says the tariff expenses eroded its bottom line in second quarter by roughly $600 million, though it's keeping prices stable to avoid losing customers. Because car prices, new and used, have already risen sharply since 2019, about 30% higher in average transaction prices, now around $49,077. More price hikes risk losing customers. Competitive pressure is one brand raises prices, customers might go elsewhere. Brands have been cautious. Analysts believe many of the tariffs are likely to persist. If so, automakers may begin raising MSRPs in the second half of the year to protect profits. Expectations are that price hikes will be gradual and more focused on higher-end models with greater profit margins. Rather than front-loaded jumps in all prices, automakers might shift more cost-subtly, higher destination fees, options, or fees that are less visible to customers. If sticker prices do go up significantly, buyers could face higher monthly payments, higher borrowing costs. Demand could soften with high vehicle prices already. Further increases might reduce sales volumes. The competitive landscape may shift. Brands that can absorb costs better may gain market share.